Class 3 Science. Good morning students. Today's topic is Green Talk, Chapter 3. In this lesson, you will learn about why plants are important to us, what we should do to protect plants, what plants do for us and animals. So let us start with a small poem by Kate Lewis Brown. In the heart of a seed buries deep, so deep, a dear little plant that lays fast asleep. Wake, set the sunshine and creep up to the light. Wake, set the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard and to rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Children, let's imagine the plant waking up and coming out of its bed with a big smile. Now it has to do so much for the world. It needs to supply food for us. It has to give oxygen to us for breathing. It has to provide shelter to so many creatures. Imagine, what if the plant did not wake up? It remained asleep forever thinking, if I go out, people will cut me into pieces. What would happen if there were no plants on the earth? From where would we get food? Students, look at the picture carefully. Plants provides us so many things. You can see this circle in the picture. Let us start with the child sitting, and what he is doing? He is breathing. So what he needs to breathe in the air? There is an oxygen. So plants provide us oxygen. Let's go to the book. Paper. Plants also provides us paper. We get paper from plants and we write so many things. We read the books, right? Third is fiber. We get fiber from plants. That means with this fiber we have clothes. Whatever we are wearing today, we are getting from plants, the fiber. Okay. Next is firewood. We get wood from plants, and when we light up the wood, we get fire. So we also get firewood. Next is food. Plants provide us food. Then medicines. Plants provide us medicines. Whenever we are sick, we used to eat these medicines. So plants give us medicines also. And the last one is plants provide us shade. When we are tired, we are feeling hot, we sit under the shade of the tree. Okay. Now we have to learn how plants make their food. Now plants make their own food. All animals and human beings depend on plants for their food. So animals and human beings also get food from their plants. Okay. Next is, plants not only give food but also provide fiber for our clothes, wood for our shelter. I have already told you in the previous slide, which is shown in the picture. Okay. They provide shade to the travelers and make the air clean and pure. So plants, if you have lots of plants around us, your area would be, you can breathe clean air and it is very pure. And whenever you feel hot and if you are tired, you can take rest under the shade of the tree. Branches and wood are used as fuel. So you can see here, plants also provide us wood and it is used in our vehicles like petrol, diesel, okay, and you can use in the kitchen. Plants are used for making medicines. So you got to know now how plants are useful. So they are our green friends. Now you got to know, children, why the plants are called green friends, because they are very useful to us. They provide us lot of things. We must therefore take care of plants. Let us find out how can we take care of our plants. We should plant more trees around our neighborhood. We should not cut or fell trees. If a tree has to be cut, we should plant 10 more saplings against felling of one tree. If you are going to cut one tree, children, you have to grow more trees. Okay? We should maintain gardens and parks. You have seen in your school or the area you are living, they have some gardens around you and parks where you used to play. So that has to be maintained with green plants so that you can play and you can also take fresh air. Now look at these pictures, what they are doing. Children, these children are taking care of their school garden. See how they are pouring water onto the plants, how they are growing the plants. Just look at the picture, and you can also do it at your home, or whenever you come to school, you can just contribute your these things, small things to your school. You can take care of your school garden as your home garden. Okay. Now see, plants also provide shelter to animals. So I have already told you, plants provide us shelter and they also provide shelter to human beings and animals. Let's see. Wild animals are becoming homeless because we are destroying the forest. Why it is said so? Men are cutting forest, all the animals are becoming homeless. They don't have any home because wild animals have the homes as a forest only. So if we will cut the forest, where they will go? Right? So we need to maintain the forest also instead of destroying. We should save forests to protect their homes. Animals are also our friends. They are useful for nature. We should take care of them. Animals provide us food, wool and leather. Some animals are used to carry loads. Some other animals are used as good pets. The dung of cattle is used as fuel and manure. Now let us find out in the picture. As I have told you, plants provide us shelter. You can see here in the picture, the dog is staying in his home, a small kind of hut, and there are few plants also around it. The next picture is showing you of a sheep. It provides us wool. Animals also provide us food, wool, and they carrying loads also. You can see a bullock cart. A man is driving a bullock cart there. and animals are carrying loads. Then you can see few animals like monkey, bear. You can use them for entertaining, to have fun. A man is training a monkey and he is doing some funny tricks. Okay. Then you can see how animals give us food like milk. Let's learn more about it. Some animals are used for our entertainment, so we should take care of animals too. Wild animals are being for our selfish needs. We should never kill animals. Never throw stones at stray animals. They also feel pain like we do. Always be kind to animals. They need our care and love. So children, we have seen that we should not kill any animals. We should also care about animals, and we should not throw stones on animals, because they also feel pain. As if we fell down, then we feel the pain, right? So like animals, if we hurt them, they also feel pain. So never kill them or hurt them. Okay, we should take care and we should love them. Now let us summarize the lesson. Plants provide us many things like food, wood, fiber, shelter to animals. Animals provide us food, wool and leather. They are useful for us. Now it's time for exercise. Students, I have given you the filling the blanks and question answers. You have to write in your notebooks. Write it properly, write in clean handwriting and learn them. First fill in the blanks is: bears and monkey can be trained to show tricks. Plants are our green friends. Plants clean air. Plants are also used for making medicines. Animals cannot make their own food. Next question answers. Name the gas given out by plants into the air. The answer is oxygen. Second question is, which animal gives us milk? The answer is cow. Third question, which living things are called our green friends? The answer is plants. Fourth question, apart from food, what else we get from plants? The answer is, we have 4 points here. First is, plants gives us oxygen to breathe. Second point, plants gives us wood for our shelter. Third point, plants gives us fiber for our clothes. Fourth point, plants are used for making medicines. So instead of food, plants gives us so many things. Write down in the points properly. Fifth question, which animals are used for carrying load? The answer is horse, donkey and camel. Children, I hope you have understood the lesson. You would read it properly, write down your question answers and exercise properly and learn it. Thank you.